Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Lorena Lobo. So one of my friend asked me how to make protein shake. So for 2 minutes video, I'm going to show you all how I make my protein shake. So first of all, I use my coconut water, which has the small pieces of coconut. I love them in my protein shake. 2 scoops of marble cake flavor protein. It has, and okay, that I'll let you all know afterwards. I put 1 teaspoon of flaxseed, ground flaxseed, and this is avocado, half avocado I put in my smoothie. It becomes so yummy. And these are almonds, which I'm going to eat it with my smoothie. So this is all the berries. I have raspberries, gooseberries, blackberry and blueberries. I love in my protein shake all the berries. So put all of them, gooseberries, and I don't have my smoothie without my half banana in it. So just put half banana in it, and half I keep it in the freezer for the next smoothie. Okay, so just close it, and you can I didn't put it the fiber boost. You can put 1 scoop of fiber boost in it. So the protein, this is 20 grams of protein. The protein is 20 grams of protein. It has with the rice, cranberries and peas. So which is clinically tested and certified, that have low glycemic index, which helps maintain normal blood glucose level. And this bag has 30 servings. Okay, so just put it all inside and blend it. 1 minute, I'm coming. So I blended, and the yummy protein with my almonds. You can put the almond butter inside the protein shake, but I like to bite it with my protein shake. Okay, see you all. Bye.